Welcome back to another Sunday project. This project we're doing headbands from our old t-shirt. So all you need is a stretchy old t-shirt and your scissors, and that's it. Let's get started. So basically what you want to do is cut underneath that arm cuff if you want it very, very tight, or if you want it loose, cut behind the arm cuff, which is what I'm showing you now.